So Chad Price, thank you so much for joining the business of healthcare today. Mako Medical, you're entering a very complex market and you are disrupting. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing.
So we are disrupting. We're a medical laboratory. We operate currently in about 10 states, and we handle everything from the very basic blood work all the way through to genetic testing. So we have a very wide test menu. We rely heavily on robotics and automation, but I think it's our story and why we do what we do, which is what's making us so disruptive.
Tell me more about that.
Well, I think the interesting part for us specifically is that we entered into the space with no healthcare experience at all. So we weren't classically trained. We didn't go to medical school. We have no medical background. We didn't go to college for this. So we truly entered into healthcare with no experience at all. And I think that's a refreshing story for those that are frustrated right now in healthcare.
Part of what you're doing is very mission driven. Talk about that mission.
Well, it's really the reason we do what we did and do. When we started this business, we made three promises to ourselves that, one, we would take our profits that we make at this company and that we would support local nonprofits and charities. We realized early that there are a lot of great causes and they need help and they need funding, so we would use our resources to fund those companies. The other thing that we were really passionate about is our military. We wanted to honor our military veterans, and we felt the best way to do that was to carve out a piece of the company and say that we were only going to hire military veterans. So not only support military causes, but carve out an entire division for veterans. And then the last piece, we are a faith-based company, and so we wanted to support missionaries around the country and around the world. So those were the three reasons why we even do Mako today.